Hey everybody, it's Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. I hope you're having a great day. So I just wanted to share an Echo Park warehouse box that I picked up. So let's go. Okay, so they sent me 2 things of washi, which I'm not really a fan of washi because, you know, we all buy it, but do we use it? No. But I am going to link a video down below. It's from Ann Melvin. She had done a tutorial about what you can do with your washi using a laminator, and it's fabulous. Like I'm excited to try it. I haven't had time because I've been working on something else, which I may show you. It's kind of done, but not really. But anyway, I digress. I'll show it to you. Can't decide whether I want to wait until it's done or not. Socrates is in here, so if you hear crashing and banging, it's probably him. Okay, so I got these cute enamel dots that I love spring, so I'll be saving those. Oh, guys, I didn't tell you the box normally sells for $50. You don't know what you're going to get. It's, you know, like I said, a warehouse box. What I tell you, the crashing. Socrates. And I didn't pay that much for it because I get the quarterly subscription, so it was cheaper for me. I think it was $48, and then I didn't have to pay for shipping. So anyway, but I digress. Okay, so stencil. I'm not really a big stencil person. I think one of my resolutions for the coming year is to use the stencils more, and this is a snow one. So I don't know. I need to get with it. So they sent me these cute little rub-ons for the It's a Boy paper collection from Echo Park. Beautiful, beautiful. I got these, the autumn. Look at this, you guys. How fabulous. Those colors are great. The girl on the bike and, you know, fly kite, and just really, really cute. I really like that. I was happy with that one. And then they sent me this one, and I was so glad because I have this paper collection, but I could never find the chipboard in the Tuesday morning. So very happy I have this one. And let's see. Oh, I got a 6x6 paper pad. It is Echo Park. Oh no, this is Cartabella, and it's the Metropolitan Girl. So this is very like vintage Paris themed, and it's double-sided. Really, really cute. Like it a lot. The shoes, look, Gina shoes. And yeah, really pretty. I'm just trying to flip really quick. Some purses. These are hangers. Just a bunch of advertisements. Dress pattern. Very, very, you know, very, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to do something with it. So, was happy to get that one. And now Socrates is trying to get out. Socrates! Socrates! He doesn't listen. And so then I got some puppy stickers from the Here Comes Santa Claus collection. Very cute. And the brads from, which collection is this one? Does it say? Oh, My Favorite Christmas. How cute is that? I love those. I love brads. I like it when they send them to me. I love those. And so I got this stamp this time, football. So I thought that was kind of neat. I'm going to hang on to that. Might make it to Dottie's hands. And then I got these cut-aparts. And this is from their most recent subscription. So this is an extra thing of cut-aparts. I don't like that they send the cut-aparts this way because they come apart. And then some more of the Disney one, which is awesome. So I'll save that for when I do my Disney scrapbook if we ever get to go. You guys, check out this paper. It's Echo Park. And it does not say the name on here, but look at all of those vintage ads on here. You guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of this. You know who's got... This has Tootsie's name all over it. Yep, it do. So anyway, check that out, my friend. I'm going to send you some mail. Okay, so I got this 12 by 12 paper pad by Echo Park Animal Safari. Not really my style until I was kind of like flipping through. I mean, this is something that I personally wouldn't buy, but I mean, look at how gorgeous that is. So that kind of changed my mind. This is a tiger and the lioness, and pretty stripe. Again, the elephant, the giraffes, but this is the part that I absolutely loved. It's the alphabet with all of the animals and the pretty butterflies and just some cute little cutesy cut aparts for our sloth loving friends, and real nice tropical print. And then here it completes the letters, and then it's got all of the animals, which is kind of nice. I like, and I think we're just going to repeat now. So that is that. So then I got a 12 by 12 paper kit for the spring market. I know everybody was looking for this at Hobby Lobby when it first came out, so I was happy to get that. And then this one I am in love with. It's just called Christmas. But the papers are gorgeous. The sticker sheet in the back, you guys, it's phenomenal. Hope there's not too much of a glare. Sorry. My lighting, I'm trying to like get my room back to where it's my room and not like my work office, because that was like messing, I think, with my mojo, because I would come in here and I would be thinking about work. So work has been moved out. It's now just crafting, which is making me happy. Another one of these, which is really, I'm okay with this. I have one already, but however, my husband and I want to go to Disney, so we will hopefully be able to at some point. I'll have plenty to do a scrapbook for that. And then I got A Perfect Autumn, and this is by Lori Whitlock. I love all of her stuff. So even though it is kind of cutesy, I do like it. Okay, so this one, Lost in Neverland. Yeah, this one I was not too excited about. It's just not me. I don't see a purpose for it for me. So I don't know. I'm just going to hang on to it. Next time Dottie comes to visit, I'll load up her car. And then this one is the Dots and Foils stripe. This one says 6 12 by 12 double-sided. Okay, because I was going to be like, wait, there can't be 12. So you always get like this one, or the dots and stripe, you know, the foils. So this one is just the stripes, which is great because you can use it for anything. So that is my little Echo Park warehouse box that I got. So I hope you guys are doing good. Monday is soon upon us, so I hope that everybody has a great week. And I miss you and I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, be sweet and be kind to each other, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye.